Piece by piece, the truck is being disassembled, getting down to the steel as close as we can by getting all the trim pieces off. We've managed to pull a lot of the protection off of the window here. This is the roll cage protection for the window. And we'll find that it comes apart rather interestingly compared to a Land Cruiser. A lot of hidden bolts and things that are a little difficult to access, which is kind of odd. For a Land Rover, you'd think it'd be a little bit easier, but you know, there's a lot of hidden things around certain brackets and moldings and things of that nature. But we're taking it all apart, taking all the door handles out, obviously. Roll cages off, taking off the trim pieces that would go for the soft top. And as we pull things apart, we just find, you know, more rust, brackets, powder-coated brackets. A lot of the bolt heads seem like they used a lot of. I think they're nickel-plated bolts of some sort, not stainless steel by any means. So we're continuing to just pull it all apart and get it all the pieces into bags, so that way we're assured of not losing anything. And taking a look at underneath. Overall, it's in decent condition. The gauge of the aluminum is not as heavy gauge as our aluminum bodies, that's for darn sure. It's a thinner gauge, which lends itself to being easily dented. That's why we see a lot of these dimples and dents and things of that nature throughout the truck. So, but it's nice. It's going together, coming apart, I should say, well.